My name is Deborah Elizabeth Abma. I go by Debbie. I live in Abbotsford, British Columbia, and I am 44 years old. I was married for over 20 years, and I had to leave, even knowing where to turn for legal aid. I was scared. I was in a difficult circumstance. I didn't have a person in my life who was stepping out and seeking all the supports, and I needed that. If I had to pick one word to talk about self-representing, it would be terror. I stood there in a courtroom, not represented, and literally listening to falsehoods being made about me, and feeling, to be honest, almost paralyzed in being able to respond to them. I have a brain injury as a result of a couple of motor vehicle accidents. When I am in extremely high stress circumstances, I have a difficult time processing information. How I was reacting because of fear and anxiety and the circumstances that I had been subjected to created a woman who presented to a judge, certainly as someone who did not look mentally stable. I did lose custody of my children and was forced into a situation where I was only able to have supervised visits with my children and not able to transport them. I have had, as a recipient of legal aid, I've had 3 fantastic lawyers. Once I was able to access legal aid, things started to move on a forward motion for me. From the first moment that I actually got to connect with a legal aid representative was a magical, incredible moment. Compassion, care, knowledge, heart. If we don't have opportunity for people to be represented, if we don't provide that for our most vulnerable in our community, then how is justice going to happen? If we're going to have real justice, we have to have more access. Real justice means fair access. We need legal aid.